Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking South Indian style beef liver gravy with a few ingredients. Beef liver is full of stored nutrients that can improve your health. You can prepare this in under 30 minutes and is the most nutritious food that you can eat. Do give this recipe a try. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make liver gravy. I've got half a kilo beef liver. There's a thin membrane on the liver, just remove it and cut it into small cubes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add the whole garam masala, 2 bay leaves, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves. Just fry it for 10 to 15 seconds. Let the flavor infuse in the oil. This is 1 onion finely chopped. Cook this for a minute. While frying onion, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and fry them. Once the onion turns translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook this for a while. I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and I'm going to cook this for a minute until the raw flavor goes away. You can use 1 fresh tomato instead of paste. Now let's add the spices. Half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all these ingredients well and cook it for a minute. Spices are cooked well. Let's add the liver. Fry this for 2 minutes. Let the spices coat well on the liver. In this stage, add some salt and keep tossing. Liver is half done. Add 3/4 cup of water. Give it a quick mix and cook for 10 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. The liver is cooked well. It's come to a nice semi-gravy consistency. Beef liver is a great alternative for nutrients if you don't like vegetables, and it provides you with strength and energy. And it has high amount of vitamin A, which is good for your vision. Turn off the flame, add some fresh coriander and curry leaves. Finally, add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a quick toss. Simple and easy beef liver recipe in under 30 minutes. It can be served with rice, biryani and Indian breads. Give this recipe a try and share this nutritious recipe with your family and friends. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.